Updating your legal name on official documents is an important process that ensures your records are accurate. Follow these steps to efficiently update your legal name with the Central Bank of Egypt and Switzerland. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support a name change. This typically includes your current identification, marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order that reflects your new name. Step 2. Complete the application form. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in elite databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Submit your application. Submit the completed application form along with the required documents to the Central Bank of Egypt. Ensure that you do this in person or through a secure online method if available. Step 4. Pay any applicable fees. Check if there are any fees associated with the name change process. If there are, make the payment as instructed by the Central Bank of Egypt and keep the receipt as proof of payment. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your application, follow up with the Central Bank of Egypt to confirm that your name has been updated in their records. This may take a few days, so be patient and ensure you receive confirmation. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with the Central Bank of Egypt and Switzerland. Always keep copies of your documents and any correspondence for your records.